Hello students of class 6. In this video I'll continue with the same chapter, water, land and air. In the previous video I've discussed about the different layers of the atmosphere. In this video I will start with the composition of atmosphere. Okay, so the atmosphere is composed of three major elements. One is gases, two is water vapor, and number 3 is the dust particles. Okay, so these are the three main important component or three major elements by which the atmosphere is made up of. Okay, so I will start first with this gaseous component or this gaseous part of the atmosphere. So the first one is the gases. Okay, so the atmosphere is composed, the atmosphere is composed of some permanent gases which are known as the dry air. Okay, so among all the gases that are present in the atmosphere, the nitrogen and the oxygen are the two major gases found in the atmosphere. Okay, this nitrogen and oxygen forms the 99% of the gases of the atmosphere, means about 99% of the atmosphere is consist of these two gases, which is nitrogen and the oxygen. Out of this 99%, 78.03% of its volume is made up of nitrogen, 20.99% is made up of oxygen, and the remaining 1% is consist of a number of gases like the argon, then 0.033% is made up of carbon dioxide or the CO2, then there is neon, helium, krypton, xenon, etc. The oxygen is the most vital gas for sustaining life on the earth surface. Nitrogen and the carbon dioxides are also the essential part of the plant life. Okay, So the atmosphere is composed of the three main elements, that is the gases, water vapor and the dust particles. So gases is one of the most important or major element of the atmosphere, and the atmosphere is composed of some permanent gases which we generally call them as the dry air. Out of all the gases that are present in the atmosphere, nitrogen and oxygen are the two major important gas that is found in the atmosphere. Okay, it consists of about 99% of the total atmosphere. Okay, so out of that 99%, 78.0% of its volume is covered or is composed of the nitrogen, 20.99% of it is composed of oxygen, 1% is composed of argon, 0.33% is composed of the CO2. Apart from all these gases, there are other gases present over there, and the name of those gases are neon, helium, krypton, xenon, etc. This oxygen is the major important thing for sustaining life on the earth's surface for all the living creature, and this nitrogen and the carbon dioxide is also very much important for the plant life. This is one of the two essential things that is required by the plant life. The next major important or major element of the atmosphere is the water vapor. So the water vapor, or the amount of water vapor, varies in atmosphere, and the range is from 0.02% to 5% by its volume. From place to place. This water vapor is mostly found in the lower parts or in the lower layers of the atmosphere. Okay, so the water vapor is another important major important element of the atmosphere, which or that is composed of this atmosphere. The amount of the water vapor varies in the atmosphere from 0.2% to 5% by its volume from place to place. The reason is that water vapor is generally by the term you can understand, this is the major element is required over here is water. So where the water amount of the water is greater, over there the amount of the water vapor will obviously be greater. Where the presence of water is less, the amount of the water vapor is less over there. So this water vapor is present in the lowermost part or the lower layer of the atmosphere. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.